Okay guys, so I told you guys that I bought some braiding here, and I was going to attempt to braid my own hair. Never do it before, but I tried. This is how I'm looking. You can see? Yeah, so I only have up here to leave, and I don't know if I should try to cane it in or continue plait them in. Me don't know if I can cane them. I can cane roll, but I don't know if I can cane them. Yes, baby. Alright, I'm going to finish up now. Alright, so then for to see what happens and then come back and tell you because Jamari wants attention. Okay guys, so I'm gonna figure out the front and come back and see what I want. Alright guys, so I have an appointment, but the hair not finished, so I'm just drawing on hat. I run got my appointment and come back and see how I can finish up the front. And yeah, so I am leaving out on time for once because I have Jamari, and Jamari take long to get ready, me take long to get ready, so it's good that I'm leaving on time for once. And I'm gonna be early. I can stroll. Alright, so me talk to you again when I come back to come start out the front parts. Alright, okay. Who in a braid, a girl? Wanna can't talk to me again? Wanna can't talk to me again? Anyhow, bye. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. I wanna give you better, but baby, it's whatever. Anyways, I did one. Child, there's something in there. I figured it out. So I'm gonna do the rest. You're greater, but yeah, I'm gonna do the rest. See if me really have it, if me really not forgot ear just again, or you know. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do the rest and then come back. When I reach about halfway, I'll come back and see. Every minute I go and come back. No, I know, but I know I'm not good at vlogging something. So I'm gonna see you. I'm excited. What are you excited for me? I'm gonna watch YouTube. YouTube, I can learn anything at YouTube University. I'm gonna go and learn. I don't know. Let's see where I done. I'm so calm. So guys, this is how far I'm at. I'm gonna take up my elbow and I'll put in style. Brown so go so and child. See how far I can get because I got work tomorrow and I can't go to work like this. I gotta go like this. So I'm trying to finish it. Jerome is at work. Jamari is sleeping. May I try to put this in the phone camera something, and I don't know if I get it good, so hold on. Oh no, nice, it's my partly in tell me. Ciao. Right, you can't even see. A while, but I'm done. Last lap. I'm glad somebody don't come. I can't do this no more. I could not be a hairdresser. But yeah, so no whatever. And my husband's home. My eating dinner. I go out there now. Can eat my dinner too. Yeah. So it just need to trim up. Then look at something there. And that's it. There's heat. Yeah. Girl. Okay, which area just have a money and you know say a 1 pack down here. 1 pack and like this much. Look a bit. 1 pack and like a bit. Girl. Talk up to me. Girl. Something keep on her back. But yeah, this is me. This is her. Well, this is she. I did it, guys. Oh my god.
Good job.
Yeah, that you just have to spend off my money. It just wants somebody to trim it up for me. What that?